Hello and welcome back to Koko Monster News. I'm Koko, bringing you cool news from all around our amazing world. Before we dive into today's stories, let's have some fun learning a few new words we'll hear in the news. Let's start with the word analyze. Imagine being a detective with a magnifying glass, looking closely at clues. Analyze means to examine something carefully to understand it better. In our news today, we would hear, the discovery was made by analyzing satellite images of the Earth. This means scientists were like detectives, looking very closely at pictures taken from satellites to learn new things about our planet. Now, let's move on to the word provide. Think of it like sharing your favorite snacks with a friend. Provide means to give something needed or helpful to someone. In our news today, we might hear, these findings now provide researchers with information on the location. This means the new discoveries are like giving scientists useful hints, offering them the important details they need about the location of the penguins. Our last word today is huddle. Imagine snuggling close with your friends when watching a horror movie. Huddle means to come close together in a group, especially to stay warm or to feel safe. In our news today, we might say, emperor penguins huddle together and gather in colonies during the Antarctic winter. This means the penguins snuggle up close in big groups to keep warm and protect each other from the super cold weather, just like a big, feathery family. Great job learning those new words. Now let's jump into today's exciting news stories. Here's what's happening around the world. Scientists have found 4 new emperor penguin colonies in Antarctica, bringing the total number of known nesting sites to 66. The discovery was made by analyzing satellite images of the Earth and identifying the guano stains left by the penguins on the ice. These findings now provide researchers with information on the location of all the breeding pairs of emperor penguins in the world. Emperor penguins are the largest species of penguin, standing at over 1 meter tall. They inhabit Antarctica, where temperatures can reach as low as -60 degrees Celsius in winter. To stay warm, emperor penguins huddle together and gather in colonies during the Antarctic winter to mate and lay eggs. The newly found colonies are spread out across the continent, with approximately 150 miles between them. They raise their young on fast ice, which is sea ice connected to the coast. However, the amount of this type of ice is decreasing. With the discovery of these 4 colonies, it is estimated that a few thousand individuals have been added to the overall population of approximately 550,000 emperor penguins. Dr. Peter Fretwell from the British Antarctic Survey highlighted the importance of adaptability for these penguins in the face of changing ice conditions. As the ice conditions continue to change, emperor penguins will need to move to new sites, and evidence of this is already being observed. And that's a wrap for today's Koko Monster News. I hope you enjoyed our stories and don't forget about the new words we learned today. Keep using them and see how many times you can spot them this week. I'm Koko, saying goodbye and stay curious. Tune in next time for more fun news and cool words. See you then.